The common scenario of most Business Central banking processes. Step 1 in Business Central. The user will prepare a payment journal based on the vendor ledger entries. After preparation and checking the lines of the payment journal, the user can export and save the XML file. Basically, this is where Step 2 starts. The user must save the payment file somewhere on the network or a local directory. Step 3. After saving, the user will navigate and log into their bank portal. After login, the downloaded XML can be imported into the bank software or portal. Basically, this is the end of the process. The payment can be signed and is ready for processing by the bank. If you have more financial institutions, you have to do this multiple times. And now direct banking with Cobase. Direct banking is eliminating steps when you use Cobase with our direct banking extension direct into your Business Central environment. The dream scenario. In Business Central, you will follow the same steps with the payment journal, the preparation of your payment file, and then the bank export of the journal lines. Instead of the rendering and saving of the XML, direct banking will directly process the XML into the Cobase environment, and you will have a signing entry record available for signing in the Cobase portal. With the next video, we have a demonstration of processing a payment from BC into Cobase. We are going to process a single payment with Cobase. Opening the vendor card and balance is showing an outstanding balance of $9.95. The drill down opens one outstanding purchase invoice of €10. We close the card and proceed with the payment journal. We prepare the journal for the payment of €10 of the Euro bank account. After preparation, we click on the bank and export. You will see that the export has finished and the credit transfer register is showing the exported record. Because the file is exported, you can now post the journal to end the process of preparing and paying. The first step for payment is completed. We can now continue in the Cobase application and sign the exported payment for processing. After you log in, go to the work list and select the payment you want to sign. If you have the authorization, you can directly start the signing process. Within Cobase, you can set up your authorization flows for users and amounts. It's not possible to sign payments if you are not authorized to do so. This is how you process your payments for one or multiple bank accounts and financial institutions. If more information is needed about the Cobase portal, we kindly refer to contact your Cobase account manager. The payment is signed and the bank will process the payment. You can see this in the track and trace. Now we need to wait for the end of day statement. This statement will be ready when the day closing of the bank is processed. Usually this will be the next business day. You can log out of Cobase and proceed your daily administration tasks in Business Central. It's the next business day. In the common BC situation, you need to go to the bank portal and download the new CAMP 50 tree files which are populated by the bank. For each bank account, you will have a CAMP 50 tree file available. In Business Central, you can import the files per bank account. The payment reconciliation journal is used for this action. After the import of the CAMP 50 tree file, the user can execute the automatic reconciliation process. These are all manual actions per bank and per bank account. the preferred process. The Cobase channels will now have CAMP 050 tree files available for processing. Let's kick things off with a cup of coffee and a chat in the coffee corner. In Business Central, we use the job queue, which will poll these channels. If there are new files, the files will be imported into Business Central, and the reconciliation of the new statement lines will be executed direct after the import. So we start the process in the morning with Step 1, power up your workstation and Business Central. Step 2, open the payment application journal and start checking the new imported and matched statement lines. In this last step of the video, we complete the flow with the reconciliation steps. It's the next business day. The job queue starts the import transactions and reconciliation. If the job queue completed successfully and the CAMP files are available in the Cobase channels, you just open the payment reconciliation journal and you will see a payment reconciliation for each bank account. In a production environment, this will be a scheduled task which will run once a day, somewhere in the night or early morning. You can see the payment reconciliation journals for 2 bank accounts are ready for user validation. When opening the first payment reconciliation journal, we see the payment which is executed yesterday is reconciled. The other statement lines are applied automatically because there is information in the remittance info which is found in the matching entries of in the text to account configuration. If all lines are validated, you can post and update your Business Central bank account balance. This is your daily RegioBank with direct banking. Thank you for joining and watching.
Idin. Simplify your workflow. Explore the perfect fit for your industry at idin.nl.